Watch the flow rate. Okay, vibrators going in now, consolidating the rebar. Here's the leak, right on the seam near the penetration.
Got it. Logging the coordinates now. It's a small one, but needs sealing.
Shift that block another 10 centimeters inboard.
Reading steady at 80. We are calibrated.
Hold position on the SPMT.
Roger that, holding steady.
Lower the bracket slowly. Watch the alignment pins.
Lower the rail slowly, watch the connection point. All right, easy now, easy. Safety boat, move to position 3.
Roll is steady at 0.5 degrees. Pitch is negligible.
Confirmed, the module is stable.
Check the gasket compression on your side. Holding steady at the required tolerance.
All right, team, secure the brackets now.
Crane, lift on my mark. Watch the rotation.
The schematic shows the inverter bypass on this side.
Yes, I see it here. We need to route the yellow harness next.
Pressure holding steady. Look good.
Make sure the sealant is fully cured before we move it.
Yes, the edges are secure. Gap is exactly 3 millimeters within tolerance.
Coupler trace checks out. I've updated the punch list.
Excellent, let's move on.
Deflection is increasing on the starboard side.
Noted. Approaching the limit on the primary gauge now.
The stress on node 3 is within tolerance.
What about the lateral movement on the upper brackets? Looks good. Beacon is active. Secure the reflector too. Ready for the next module.
Flight.
If we sequence the modules this way, we risk a bottleneck near the lagoon.
Let's shift the safety boats to the perimeter.
Alarm and pump sequence complete. System check passed.
The reading is stable now.
Looks good. Right within the target range. I'll log it.
Look at that clarity.
Perfect. The wet run is successful.
Utilizing marine-grade aluminum, we fabricate the street furniture for the Maldives Floating City, including these.
How are the connection points looking?
Almost done with this section, Supervisor. Man overboard, East Lagoon, go, go, go!
Roger that. We're on scene.
Got him, pulling him up.
The illumination is perfect.
And the seal is holding tight. We can move this batch to the lagoon.
the sensor data confirms the simulation. Look at the pitch response here.
And the roll is negligible, even with the increased wind load.
We need more tension on this corner.
How much more?
Just a little bit, slowly.
Docking hardware production. Cleats, fair leads, and quick-release hooks, machined and passivated for corrosion resistance.
We need to keep the tow route clear of the southern exclusion zone here.
Confirmed. We'll monitor traffic on channel 16. Roger that. Authorization granted for passage.
The Maldives Floating City utilizes this brain coral-inspired hexagonal design, creating resilient...
Measured draft is confirmed at 3.48.
Looks good. The buoyancy margin is within tolerance. Bring it up to 50 kilonewtons. Steady now.
Holding steady, boss.
Approved. Record the result.
Once the gasket is removed, inspect the flange. Now we install the new flexible coupler, making sure it aligns perfectly before we begin torquing the bolts.